beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Candy JB. So today we're going to do a tutorial on eyeshadow application for beginners. Before we do that, kindly consider subscribing to my channel, share your thoughts in the comment section down below, and if you like my video, kindly give it a thumbs up and I would really appreciate it. So let's go, let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna need is your primer. I'm using Baby Skin Maybelline to prime my eyelids. And also another thing you're gonna need is your concealer. And in this case, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. So I'm using Fawn because it's 2 times lighter than my skin complexion. Also, with my tools, I have the eyeshadow brushes. These are the MAC brush set. So I'll link the products used in the description section down below. So we'll be using a very minimal amount of the product, the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and with the use of a fluffy brush, just going to use 2 dips of the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And to get a very good finish, you just need to tap in the product onto your eyelids. Just tap, do not rub it on the eyelids. Just tap until you see clean, super blend. Smooth blend. And also for your the concealer, ensure you're using the same shade that you use to clean your eyebrows. For the eyeshadow, I'll be using the Beauty KT eyeshadow palette. It has 35 different shades and this is matte. Today I'll be doing a very simple look. I'll be using that shade and using a fluffy brush, eyeshadow brush, to blend in my eyeshadow. And before you put on your eyeshadow, guys, ensure to go in with your concealer brush and just clean it up. On the eyelid, horizontally we have the upper, middle, and the lower, and horizontally we have the outer corner and the inner corner. So for the first transition in color, we will start from the outer corner, going to the inner corner, but not get to the corner of the eye. Yeah, and we're just extending it towards the upper lid. With the second transition in color, I'll be using that shade. So using a smaller fluffy round brush, I'll take a very minimal product and just go in and blend it in. Remember, we are moving from the outer corner towards the inner corner on that upper lid. So for this video, I'll be doing a cut crease, and just to mention it, guys, when you're doing the cut crease, ensure you get the same size as your eyelid. If you have a small eyelid, please stick to the small eyelid so that it does not look awkward. And if you have a bigger eyelid, just cut in proportion to your eyelid. Yes, using the angled brush and the same concealer that you use to clean up your eyebrows and to set in the eyelids. With the same process, just tap it in, tap it in the product. So on the crease, I'll use a gold. With the same process, tap in the product. Ensure to blow off excess. So once you tap, you go in with the brush. Just get the product in the brush, blow off any excess products on the brush, and just continue tapping it in until you get the shade that you want. So using the fast transitioning color, I'll go in with my small brush and just clean up the edges of the crease, just ensure that there's a smooth flow of eyeshadow, smooth blending. And if you wish, at this point you can add in eyeliner. And that is it, guys. Very simple tutorial, and at this juncture you can choose to add mascara. And that is it from me today, guys. I hope you have learned something from this simple eyeshadow application tutorial for beginners. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support, for your continued support. I really appreciate it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below in this comment section what you'd like to see me do on in my channel, and also hope to see you in my next video. Stay tuned, guys. Thank you. Goodbye.